Medical Superintendent of Nsawam Gov't Hospital, a Premtobre, Dr. Richard Kudodu, say Abanye, Australia, Dimwa, Bekenya, Apomodiatna, Yohoma, Womodema, Omuni Binti, said and compass Apomodem Costo, and yes, I know who know any of my phones, one here to draw. And they make us say, I feel I know she and one she a bone who are basso, and I didn't send me to that.
Medical Superintendent of Nsawam Gov't Hospital, Dr. Richard Kudodu, and Nady to Abenyi and Muse at the Roma one shana one more Apomodem Pia and one may see I would war and Fama one more son say, a come say and nay at a tea upon summer, and one more numedy into me and Conkai what in some would say at two.
And the end of year awards dinner nights. In Nsawam there's a lot of pressure your staff no so until my juma then the whole year. And I feel this is a time to give them, to motivate them, to show appreciation for the Juma year during the year. So at next year, no, morale, no motivation, no, the following year. And this is just basically BBI a bit motivated your staff.
Aho wasan fasa kwanya no so de to Ghana Water Limited for any musende wono in here supply line bi ede aba wono bi hosa ne be ya ebetumi aboama nsuo nsema edin ema wono no ano abrase.
Oh, to the government NGOs, I mean, we have a lot of challenges. Depending on your ability, we know where to give you. For example, we are looking at, we have water challenges. They say, I know, as an insonator, and say, Ghana Water Works, my inso, but say, dry is in the basa, na a higher power. And so we are looking at drilling a borehole, doing an improved water system for the hospital. So those are one of our main areas, and I will say, so we want a new emergency department. There are a lot of accidents. So Sum Quine also Kumasi Quine, a lot of accidents. Every day or Okada every day there's an accident. So we think we need a bigger emergency or land or BBA or Honum. And I say see new dental clinic too as well. So there are a lot of things if you come around we will be able to discuss and see where you can help out.